Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's intraday analysis video, brought to you by the creators of proprietary price, pattern, and time methodology. Learn the PPT strategies and profit for life. My name is Gareth Soloway. Let's get into the action today. Today's date, Wednesday, October 22nd, 2014. Markets opened higher today, moved higher until around the 11:30 a.m. time frame, and then have rolled over. Interestingly enough, pretty much as soon as Europe closed, the market started to sell, partially because of fear out of Canada. There's some sort of shooting at the government building there, the parliament, that's kind of being unfolded at this point in time. But the other factor is probably bigger here, which is oil. All right, if you look at oil, this is major for the markets, and take a look at the drop on the USO. And again, this fall on the USO, the market is worried about it because it speaks to global demand. If the oil price breaks the 81.80 level, folks, this market is going to sell with a vengeance. All right, and again, this is very, very clear because, again, you can go back and you can just look at, first of all, you have this support here, which we're probably going to hit today, and then this is your last level. This is right at that $80 level here. So 81 and 80, essentially, those are your two lines in the sand, and you're going to watch to see. And again, oil kept on pushing up here and ultimately failed every time to break higher. Path of least resistance, especially if it takes this out. If it takes this low out, then it's a foregone conclusion it's going to test the low here. Right now, you could still find a glimmer of hope for oil, but not much. Not much here on the charts. And again, remember, the big deal about this is that it's all about global demand. That's why people are saying that's why oil is going down, because things are so bad in the global economy. So again, that is why the markets are queuing off of that. Usually in the past, if oil goes down, airlines do better, this does better, but really we're not seeing that, partially because of the Ebola scare because of the airlines, but also, needless to say, the demand issue is there, and that is a major issue as well. All right. Going back to the SPY, they're trying to hold on, guys. You have a little bit of support right in here, and you can see every time it comes down, it's trying to rally back up, so we're going to follow that very closely into the end of the day. But again, a worry scenario here. Now, if you're a member of InTheMoneyStocks.com, you're making profits left and right. We closed out longs over the last couple days. Today, we have shorts on the table that are already paying us. Just one of the shorts I gave out today was a short on Disney at $88.40. That was right here, guys. Right in this upper range right here. Look at the chart already today. Rolling over. We're already $1 in the money on this trade, intraday even. And again, we're going to hold it as a swing multiple days, but it just shows you. Now, why did I like this short? Well, simply put, look at this bounce right into the 50 moving average. If you're a chart reader, you literally drool when you see a chart like that. Okay? Also, my business partner Nick gave out an options trade today, calls on VMware. Check this out, guys. He bought the calls when we were near the lows of the day. This stock bounced intraday, paying off 20% on his first half intraday and 50% on his second half on his calls. He's out of the position already. That is a fantastic trade by him. And again, he saw the chart, he saw the level, and bought it and made bank. And that's really what it comes down to. Are we making money? Yes, we are. Research Center members get stock trade alerts, videos, you name it, options alerts. Needless to say, it speaks for itself. You get options trades in that service. And again, you can join either service or both services, whatever you prefer. But it's there for the taking, and the money is there, folks. All right, this is what's beautiful about this. The money is there. Another good example of a good options trade I gave puts on IYT. I bought them, obviously. And again, look at the IYT coming in today. And we're already in the money, about 20% on those puts as well, based on the last print. Okay? All right, so again, that's just what's going on here, guys. And again, it is a beautiful scenario. As, again, what I love about what we do here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, we don't care if the market goes up. We don't care if it goes down. We just position ourselves on that side of the market by reading the charts, and we can make a lot of money. Okay? So that's, again, what's going on there. Couple other stocks to watch. Apple is up $1 today, but that's coming off of its highs. Notice what Apple did today. It pierced this high right here, and that's a little bit of a double top. Also, I think it's worth noting that Facebook also pierced a double top up here. Now, can these stocks get through? Well, they possibly can. But again, we have to watch and see in the coming days how this market reacts. And again, I would encourage you to go towards the oil trade on this and watch oil. And again, oil continues to be under some significant pressure here on the intraday. You can see it just made a new low. Now they're trying to hold it. Notice how this choppiness is equal to what the SPY is doing right now with this choppiness. You guys see that? So they're very much the same in that respect. So if oil breaks, you're going to see the SPY, the S&P 500 break to the downside. And they really are tied together here, very much so. All right. Let's see what we have here. Scanning through what else we want to look at. One note here: Alibaba, BABA. This is trading right around where it came public. Not the price that the insiders got, but really the price where it started trading, and that was right around 92.50. So it's interesting that the stock has made its way back up. Talk about a $200 billion market cap being volatile, guys. I mean, this thing was trading down at 83, 82, and it rallied 10. I mean, that's really like a 12, 13% rally on the stock in just a matter of a week or so. I mean, that's just a huge move to the upside. And again, it's getting a little bounce as the markets are getting a small bounce here. And again, this is just kind of that holding off the lows on the SPY as they're trying. Now, they got a little green candle here, so let's see if they can build on it. If you go back up, this is going to be your short-term resistance, these two moving averages. All right, going to the gold chart, let's take a look at gold here. The GLD down 37 cents, minor move there. Silver today, silver is down about 33 cents. That's a pretty sharp drop on silver today. And the dollar ETF, which is the UUP, here we have the dollar trading up a little bit, and if the dollar moves up, it's going to put more pressure on oil as well. So be aware that they kind of are linked, although it's not the only factor there, obviously, on the oil front, as demand is probably the biggest one. Okay, let me just scan through here, see if there's anything else on the radar as we scan through. We are seeing a lot of the commodity plays pulling back after big rallies. If you look at the OIH was up earlier today, had a big rally yesterday. That's coming in nicely, coming back down, so we'll keep an eye on that. And let's see, anything else? I think that's about it. All right, so again, guys, bottom line is, doesn't matter which way the market's going. You can make money if you know what you're doing. At InTheMoneyStocks.com, we help you understand and do your best to make money in every market. I don't care if it's going up, down, sideways. There's always a trade there. You need to know about it. We're here to tell you. Take care, guys. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.